with the road jag, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more with the road jag, don't you come back no more. What you say, hit the road jag, don't you come back no more.
Thank you, Kirill. Today I would like to talk about DLT testing in post-trade. Post-trade is a riddle, wrapped in a mystery inside an enigma. The systems in post-trade are inherently complex, and the main sources of this complexity are multi-day or step operational life cycle, asset classes and risk calculations, dependencies on legacy system, reference data structure, and so on and so on. Yet despite it, or maybe because of it, more and more financial market infrastructures consider implementing DLT solutions in post-trade. We see a steady flow of proof-of-concept projects and even some live service implementations. Many mind maps are available to help you find what type of blockchain is required for your project. And here is my favorite one. But we are not consultants, we are software testers, and our job is to find an answer to a different question. Is it okay to release my blockchain into live service? Well, and the answer is, to help our clients to find an answer to this question, we had to expand our tools and methods into DLT space. The main test automation tool that we use in post-trade is ClearTH. It is used to test many clearing platform implementations in Vienna, Johannesburg, Singapore, London, and so on. It is used to support the pan-European T2S platform. On some projects, it simulates more than 80 upstream and downstream interfaces concurrently. We started our work in October last year and implemented support for R3 Corda project, where both open source and enterprise versions are available. And this project inspired us to do more. Its output was accepted for publication in IEEE Explore Digital Library, and the demo itself won the Best Test Tool Demo Award in Xi'an, China. We later expanded the tool to support Hyperledger Fabric and Demo SDK. We are looking forward to adding support for additional platforms. There are two main directions of our work: testing network plumbing itself and testing distributed apps. In the first case, we are trying to work with client's engineering team to improve a test harness aimed at testing of the blockchain core platform itself. This way, we achieve a smooth integration of test harnesses enhanced into the client's delivery. This way, we achieve a smooth integration of test harness enhancements into the client's delivery processes. One of the areas where we see the most improvements is at the confluence of functional and non-functional testing, where we make sure that test harnesses are targeted at the overall robustness of the network and its ability to retain functional correctness under load. The main challenges lie in the infinite number of configurations, and they should be covered to test for compatibility. In the second case, we focus more on a particular configuration and distributed application. We adapt our existing tools to work with DLT. We built a framework which includes monitoring of the nodes and interaction with them over RPC and REST APIs. Enhanced by its extension called Woodpecker, ClearTH can also emulate nodes in DLT-based infrastructures, generate API calls, and trigger transaction flows. ClearTH can also send messages, verify the responses, analyze the database the system works with, check logs and reports from the system under test. There is a key distinction between doing proof of concept and doing software testing. Proof of concept means trying to show that something works. and software testing is trying to show that something does not work. Usually, it's a good idea to do software testing before releasing your project into live service, and Exactpro can help. Please join us during CordaCon in October, and next week during Cybers, we will show a demo ClearTH integration with Demel and Hyperledger. Thank you. And now let me introduce my colleague, QA Project Manager Marina Solovyova, who will speak about how to get the most from Fix.